For the past month, my phone has been experiencing ghost touch. I did a lot of research to fix this, like clicking a lighter over the screen, trying out a bunch of custom ROMs, etc. This is even more frustrating than a broken screen. Touch is registering automatically on the screen, parts of the screen just freezing up, and symptoms that completely mess with your head. Mostly, the ghost touch problem happens because of manufacturing defects. But there are a few other reasons too, like a poor charging cable and charger can cause a power imbalance, to which the screen automatically responds. That's why you should always use the official charger or one with the exact same output. The second reason is overheating, or even cold weather. I used to game and charge my phone at the same time. Because of the back cover, I couldn't feel the temperature. But one day, when I played without the back cover, that's when I realized just how hot the device gets. The third reason is screen protectors. When screen protectors aren't attached properly, this issue pops up. The fourth reason is the device getting bent, which happens automatically due to poor structural integrity. Now, what's the solution to this? I read so many articles, done a ton of research, and according to them, first of all, I removed the tempered glass. It didn't make any difference. Then I kept clicking a lighter over the screen many times for a long time. Then after some time, the ghost touch actually stopped. But when I locked the phone and unlocked it again, the auto touch started all over again. Then I thought, when we keep the double tap to wake up feature on, the screen doesn't completely turn off. I mean, the light goes off from the screen, but the touch layer stays on. The digitizer, which is responsible for touch inputs, keeps monitoring continuously, meaning electricity keeps flowing through the screen. That's how tapping on a locked phone screen makes the phone respond. Therefore, I'd suggest you turn off double tap to wake up and turn on raise to wake so that the digitizer can get a little rest. After that, I tried different ROMs, both official and custom ROMs, but the result was the same every time, and the ghost touch kept happening. Then I realized that there is no permanent solution for this, so I'll tell you some ultimate fixes so that even with ghost touch, you can do all your work comfortably. First, we need to make those specific areas unresponsive where the ghost touch is happening. And for that, you'll have to download Partial Screen. You will find it on the Play Store. And its file size is 2.1 megabytes, which is very small. You will have to accept a few permissions so that the app can draw over the screen. Simply accept whatever permissions it asks for. Inside this app, you will get two options. The first is automatic detection, where it will automatically detect the ghost touches and it will block those specific areas. If you touch the screen while it's analyzing, it will consider that a ghost touch too. That's why, during the analysis, do not touch the screen. The second option is manual mode. In this, you have to choose the area yourself where your ghost touch is happening. If the auto touch is happening in one specific spot on your screen, then manual is the better choice. And if touches are happening randomly all over the screen, then automatic mode is better. It creates a non-clickable UI element in those places, because of which, no matter how many times you click on that area, it won't respond. You can change the color of that UI element, or you can make it completely transparent so that you won't face any visual issues. Now, the first part is done. Now the second part is where we've made it unresponsive, accessing the options that are under those spots. For this, you will have to download Auto Cursor. You will find this on the Play Store too, and the file size is 3 megabytes. After downloading, you will have to accept some permissions for this one as well. And then, with its help, you will be able to click on those places where the touch isn't working. There is no permanent solution for this. That's why you'll have to make do by using these apps. If you want, you can change the entire display too, but there's no guarantee that the ghost touch won't happen again.